Do you understand English but forget every word when it's time to speak? Well, welcome to the club. This is Kaur from English Asan, and I was also like this. When it's time to speak, my mind also goes blank. So I was there too. So today it's our day one. I'm just going to introduce one challenge in which I'm going to post 30 videos, and in these 30 videos I will show you how I practice naturally, how I gain confidence while speaking in English, and how I will practice English in my real life. So I'm going to show these things to all of you in these 30 days. So stay connected in this challenge or in this course for 30 days and you will learn many things. Okay, and the main thing is I'm not going to cut any part of my any video. I will show exactly whatever I am doing while speaking in English or while gaining confidence for speaking in English. Okay, so you guys will learn everything from my videos. Okay, and apart from this, I know that many of you guys know grammar, you know English, you know rules of grammar, but when it's time to speak, your mind says that, oh, system hang. Please restart, human. It means system hang, and your mind starts to, like, your mind reminds you to restart whatever you want to speak. Okay, like your tongue refuses to speak words. Okay, it happens, it used to happen with me, so I can easily understand this problem. But don't worry, if I am here, so why you are worrying about it? I am here to tackle your every problem. That is why I am just trying to tackle your trying to sort out your every problem whatever you are facing while learning English or while speaking in English. Okay, so stay connected in this challenge with me till the very end. Okay, this is our day one, and for day one you have one sentence, that is done better than waiting for something. Done better than waiting for something, or done better than for perfect something, for making perfect something. It means like try to make mistakes. I just want to say this. I know that many of you guys might be thinking that if you will speak in English, you will make mistakes, but it's okay. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning something. So they are kind of evidence. They will be working as a evidence. When you will try to speak in English, they will work as a proof that yes, you are putting your efforts, you are trying to learn English at your own. Because if we keep waiting for becoming perfect first, so that perfect day is not going to come in your life. You will be about 85 years old one day, and still you will be thinking that tomorrow I will start speaking English. After tomorrow, I will start speaking English. But that day is not going to come in your life. Try to put your efforts from today, right now. Okay? And in all of my videos, I will show you how can you practice English in reality. How can you learn real life conversation? How can you increase your confidence from here to here, and how can you gain more confidence while speaking in front of anyone. And the main part of this video is you are not going to judged by anyone. Okay, you are not going to judge by anyone. Okay, the main part of my video, like the main purpose of my every video, is that you should speak English, and the main thing is you are going to become a member of my every video. Like, you will look at me, or you will be able to see me how I am trying to improve my English in my real life, how I'm trying to have conversations with myself, with objects as well. So you are going to learn many things. So stay connected in all of my videos, because you are going to learn many things in all of these. And the main thing is you are going to learn vocabulary, you are going to learn grammar, but with a humorous way. I will also introduce you some ways by which you can make funny stories for improving your English by connecting to the situations. Okay, and apart from this, I will also tell you how can you make sentences by connecting to your real life. Okay, and I will also tell you some complex sentences which you can make, but firstly you will have to start from basics. And the main thing is don't wait for the perfect day. Done is better than perfect. Done is better than perfect. It means start from today. You're not going to perfect be you're not going to be perfect tomorrow, but start from today, then you will be perfect one day. And thanks for today. If you guys wanna improve your English, just let me know in the comment box and say I'm ready and I have done with my day 1 and I'm waiting for the day 2. So my video will come after 3 days of this video. Okay, after 3 days I will post my next video. Thanks for today.